In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Hulu on Discord without a black screen. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome like you normally would. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and type in Google Settings extension. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on enter. And essentially this is a web browser extension that will allow us to make some changes to our settings. So all you want to do is you want to go to the official Chrome web store page right over here. And then you want to go ahead and press on the download button. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the top. Then you want to go ahead and make sure that settings is actually pinned in the browser extension list. Then you just want to go ahead and press on it. Then you want to go ahead and select on settings. Once you're over here, you're going to get a page that looks like this. And in the search settings bar on top, all you want to do is you want to look up acceleration right over here. There you go. All right, then you're going to get this option that says use graphics acceleration when available. So by default, it is going to be set on. And basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn it off just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on relaunch. Just wait for it a little bit. And then from there, whenever you guys go ahead and open up Hulu, you should be able to go ahead and stream it over on Discord. For obvious reasons, I'm not going to show the exact process. However, you can go ahead and try it out for yourself and let me know in the comment section down below if it did work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.